What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network in Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on Wi-Fi. Now first of all, turn on the Wi-Fi button on the top, and then it will show you the list of available networks. So from here, tap on your network name and then enter the password. Now after entering the password, click on connect, and then you will be connected to your Wi-Fi network. So if you want to view detailed settings and specs of this Wi-Fi network, then click on this arrow icon. Now here you can check the status, technology, connection speed, signal strength and other settings of this Wi-Fi network. So that's how you can connect to a Wi-Fi network on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.